Alright, you guys, back at the storage unit. This will be the first time you guys have seen the car since the hurricane preparations. No damage, guys. We got real lucky with that hurricane. Real lucky. But the Bahamas, man, you guys see the destruction that the Bahamas got. It's unbelievable. But yeah, car's still on jack stands. Guys, I got some extra parts and stuff that I'm thinking about giving away when I get to 1,000 subscribers as my appreciation to everybody. And besides, man, some people, they need stuff. So this right here is what I'm going to give away. It's my old Walbro 255, I think it is, fuel pump. Now, I only use this thing just to really get the car started. I didn't do any pulls on it. This thing is pretty much brand new, okay? It comes with the fittings and stuff. The instruction manual is still there. I'll even take the sleeve off of this thing so you guys can see. Okay, this thing is in really good shape. I would not give this away to anybody if I knew it wasn't working or it had issues on it. I ran E85 fuel through it, and that's it. So if anybody wants this, when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll do another video post on this stuff, and you guys can let me know if you need it, and I'll ship it out free of charge. As long as it's within the United States, free of charge. I got an Instagram, so you can contact me on there, and we can kind of set up, you can give me your address or whatever. The brackets are still here. Brand new brackets, mounting brackets for it. Everything is here. Also, I got some extra fittings and stuff. So I gotta upgrade my fuel lines. Tuner's saying I need to go like 10 AN, so that's what I'm gonna do. I think I got like a 6 AN fuel lines on here from what I did before. So what I'm gonna do is, if anybody needs that too, because you guys see, I only turn the car on and maybe just drive it around the unit here, the complex here, and then I park it. What you guys have seen in the videos is like as much driving as I've done. So a lot of this stuff on here is in really good shape. All the fuel lines off this car that I had running underneath, and all the fittings, okay? A lot of them are Russell fittings, so they're good quality fittings. Giving all of that stuff away too, because I don't need it, and hopefully somebody else can make better use out of it, because there's no point in me taking it off the car and just throwing it up and it just sits and collects dust. You know, hopefully it'll get somebody else's car up and running and they can have some fun with it. So all the fuel lines off this car, all the fittings, all the Russell fittings and stuff like that, all of that, I'm giving it away. Fuel pump, Walbro, brand new. Pretty much brand new fuel pump, okay? So when I get to 1,000 subscribers, if anybody needs it, I'll be posting another video, and if there's multiple people that want it, then I'll just have to figure out a way to, I guess, pick a winner, you could say. I'm going to be doing some do-it-yourself side skirts, some poor man side skirts. That's a temporary thing. I don't know if it works out, I might keep them, but you know, you want to get some good side skirts, you're going to be paying a lot, like 300 bucks. And you guys know, this whole car is a do-it-yourself car. Everything on here, or most of everything on here, has been custom done to my liking. So I went to Home Depot and I got this here. This metal here, that's what you put in between like sheetrock and stuff and like walls. And it was dumb cheap, man. I mean, it was like a few bucks a piece. So I got that, and I cut it down. I'll probably have to cut it again, and then that's just I'll bolt that up to the car here, probably paint it, see how it looks. If it looks nice, then I'll keep it. Alright guys, so got side skirts on, and they look pretty good. I'm gonna bring the car out into the road in a second, but you can see it's a good fit. I'm gonna paint them probably black. You know, that matte black, like the rest of the stuff that I painted matte black on the car. I ran 6 sheet metal screws through. I had to drill holes into the chassis of the car, and I just ran 6 screws all the way up, and that's what's holding it up. I was going to make some mounting brackets. I was going to rivet to here, and then it would bend here and bolt to the chassis just for extra support, because you guys can see it's kind of loose. Like it's not loose, it's just, it flexes. But I freaking forgot my extra metal at home, so I'll have to save that for another day. I got to bolt the fenders in. The fenders are just kind of laying on there. You see there's a lot of play. So I got to bolt all of that stuff in. So yep. I'll move the car and get to work. Alright, so I'll catch y'all in the next video. Take it easy.